It's weird how when you're walking on the beach and you turn around and try to follow the course that you took initially, your footprints are covered by the ebb and flow of the ocean. This is the normal process of life. Some of the steps that we go through are painful, heart-wrenching. The process changes us, changes who we are as a person, and we want to forget those trying times. The normal ebb and flow in life allows us to forget what the problems were. The hurt and loss are still there. They change us and twist us from what God wants us to be. Unless we uncover, process, and heal, we'll eventually go to heaven, but we'll miss the healing and wholeness that we could have had in this life. God is standing by. He wants nothing more than for you to be whole, and He will do things in you that you can't do for yourself. So the challenge is to go find those footprints in the sand. Go find those footprints that you left behind, covered up by the ebb and flow of life, especially the painful ones, the ones that changed you, the ones that broke you. I'm doing this myself and encourage you to do it too, because at the end of the road, there is freedom and peace, and you'll never be the same again. Blessings.